In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about how to start a polymer clay earring business from home. I will tell you the supplies you will need, how to make them, and some important business tips to get started. So, let's jump right in. First, let's discuss the supplies you will need to create your polymer clay earrings. I will leave a link in the description below on where you can get each of the supplies we discuss in this video. You'll need to buy polymer clay. Make sure you buy high-quality clay like Sculpey Primo that isn't too sticky or crumbly so it is easier to work with. You will need an oven to bake your clay earrings. You can use your home oven or opt for a countertop convection oven that you can use strictly for your clay projects. A blade that will be used for cutting the clay. You will need a tool to flatten out the clay so that it is easier to work with. I would recommend a roller machine or pasta machine because it rolls out your clay faster. However, you can also use an acrylic roller. A craft cutting mat with grid lines can be used as a guide to help ensure that you are cutting the clay evenly. Earring cutters are what you will use to cut the clay into shapes. You'll want to make sure that you buy cutters in the desired size and shapes of earrings you want to create. You can purchase a variety of sculpting tools to help you sculpt the clay and achieve your desired designs. Using an oven thermometer ensures that you are using an accurate temperature when baking your polymer clay earrings. You'll want to buy a small bottle of adhesive that you can use to glue the earring backings onto the earrings. You will need earring hooks, jump rings, and earring backings. If you want to add a glossy coat to your earrings, then you can apply a thin coat of clear resin and then use a UV light to cure it. Using baking liners keeps the clay from sticking to surfaces and messing up your designs when transferring them to and from the oven. This list is to give you an idea of the tools you can use to help create your polymer earring designs. But you don't have to buy them all at once. Purchase your essentials first and build up your supplies as you start to get more sales. Now let's discuss how to make polymer clay earrings. Here is a quick video clip by Katlia Jewelry showing a great example of the process for creating clay earrings at home. First, cut and roll out your polymer clay. Next, use your clay cutter to cut out the shape of your earrings. After, put them in the oven following the recommended directions for the clay you are using. For a shiny finish, you can use clear resin and a UV light. Then, drill holes and add your earring hooks. Finally, you are ready to sell your earrings. If you are serious about starting your own polymer clay earring business, here are some important steps you should take. You'll want to do a bit of research on the polymer clay earring industry first to make sure that there is a demand for what you want to sell. One way to do this is to do a search on Google for polymer clay earrings. Study the search results to see what your competition is like and what their price point is. Will you be able to offer competitive pricing and still be profitable after the cost of your supplies and expenses? You will need to come up with a variety of different designs to offer your customers. This is so they have different options to choose from. Also, because they may decide to purchase multiple earrings from your shop at once. You'll want to make sure that your designs are attractive while still being comfortable to wear. Your earring should be lightweight, durable, and attractive. Next, you need to decide where to sell your polymer clay earrings. Do you plan on selling your earrings locally or online? You can sell on an online marketplace like Etsy or create your own website on a platform like Shopify. Watch the video on my channel, The Best Places to Sell Your Handmade Products Online, where I go over the pros and cons of each online platform to help you decide which is the best choice for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to be notified when I post more content dedicated to helping you build a successful small business. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.